LifeInUSA here, showing you one of my Phalaenopsiss orchids. This is a white flowered orchid, and it is looking very healthy. Water as usual, once a week when it needs it, and I don't overwater them. Fertilize once a week. When I water, I mix the fertilizer with it. And this one is growing in a sphagnum moss, as you can tell right here. And it's now, I've been waiting for this to open actually. So it's now opening, see that? Very, very pretty orchid. It's got that stripe, the little pinkish in the middle. It's just gorgeous. And a beautiful, beautiful orchid. One of my most healthiest orchid I have. And I keep them all on the window, but I took it down so I can video it. And it doesn't have very many blooms actually. Let's see. 5, 6, 7, about 7 flower. If this is summer, I would keep it outside and it probably put out more blooms. But anyway, I'm happy. Just really, really happy that it's able to produce flower at this time of year in the middle of the winter. Gorgeous plants, very easy to take care of. Phalaenopsiss orchid is very easy for me to take care of. I don't know why. It's supposed to be most fragile plant to take care of, but for me it's very easy. And look at that, it's just such a healthy plant. It's got new leaf, and it's just really gorgeous. It's one of my favorite plants that I grow indoor. And as you can see, there are some of my flowers, my plants here. I have Phalaenopsiss, and I have vanda, and have other plants, and there's my sweet potato right here. I even have my gerbera daisy here. I brought most of my gerbera daisy indoor, but I didn't have enough room. So as soon as I put this outside, it will start blooming this spring. And look at that one right here. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. Really, really pretty, and it's still blooming. And here's another one right here. It finished blooming, but it's expanding. You know, it's growing more plants. And here's my lemongrass. Look at that. Remember my lemongrass? It's right here, still alive. And I have my growing, let me see. Oh yeah, that one right there. You can't see it, but it's blooming also. It's got buds. That one right there is another white orchids starting to bloom. And there's another one right here that's a white orchid. And it just, you know, I haven't videoed a lot of them, but anyway. And I think this one right, I have ginger in here too. And I think this one right here, let me see. Oh yeah, that one right there, it's got buds. Show you right, let's follow this one. See the buds right there? Oh, I got, that leaf right there, it's just an old leaf that's falling off. But anyway, and here's my vanda growing in the jar. Have you seen that? This is my vanda that is growing in a jar. It looks really amazing. Look at that. I hope that I can get it to bloom this year. It hasn't bloomed since I bought it. It was really small when I bought it, and it's been, I don't know how many years now, 4 or 5 years. It hasn't bloomed for me. But anyway, just want to show it to you. Just walk around my orchids here on the window. There are some of them. I have plenty more orchids. They're everywhere in the house. This is the front window facing the sunrise. See, there's another one right there. It's getting ready. Thank you so much. Take care.